wati na ata mwana musesia wa Mutongo TV na kwate wende kwithwa na muthenya wa kwa ilani na ukeithia na uthocha to manithie nthini wa vilingi wa mavomo no wa Samonza atwemba kwitewekio ndo kuselesya ndatike mwe twambililia mavomo itu ni kana amwe ma muika kauntini ya Masaku ngwangwatano emwe ya muika Majenzi ni ya kule serikali ya Kenya kwanza yati ya meya na kuweka kuvuthisya katiba maiweta kana vya mwe matongo imethi twemate kwati ya meya ya kotini uyu kaivinani la ya Kenya yende na kutania kulilikana matambia la makunitwe kuma kuseovua kwa katiba keo ndola wende na kukilia makulio na uneni muvyu kati wa muikalame weta tavethi twe na kivuthe kinene cha meya na aki sia enende.
The new constitution brought with it more social liberties, political and economic rights that provide a safeguard to all Kenyans. The 2010 Constitution, however, has suffered serious attacks and mutilations and attempts to mutilate this progressive document by those who exercise sovereign power delegated to them. Unfortunately, those who oppose the current Constitution are the ones who are entrusted to implement the same. In light of this, we reiterate our commitment towards defending the Constitution and advancing the rule of law and constitutionalism. Free Kenya movement, or rather the People Power movement, has been on the forefront of promoting a popular initiative, a referendum, which is a proposed amendment to the 2010 Constitution. We, the citizens of Kenya, heavily burdened by the escalating high cost of living due to unfair taxation, hereby invoke our sovereign power as enshrined in Article 1 and Article 257 of the Constitution to directly enact an amendment to the Constitution of Kenya through a referendum. 2. A. Abolish all taxation on basic and essential commodities, including petrol, diesel, kerosene, and other basic food items. Secondly, we wish to restructure the state and system of governance to ensure efficient and effective use of our natural and national resources and respect for the voice of the people. 15 years later, and 3 elections after the promulgation of the 2010 Constitution, we have witnessed certain systemic and structural weaknesses that have been wrongfully exploited by shrewd and selfish persons who manipulate the system in order to circumvent the sovereign power vested in the people. Many institutions that are supposed to be the safeguards of the people, such as IPOA, IEBC, EACC, the judiciary, parliament, etc., have been captured by elements under the banner of the People Power movement. This movement will spearhead the revolutionary change that is both ideological and generational in nature. We call on all young people, women, persons living with disabilities, and Kenyans at large to join and support this revolutionary movement that will sweep the current regime from power in 2027 or sooner, whichever the case might be. We have agreed to close ranks with all other progressive formations so that together we can emancipate Kenya from the grasp of dictatorial rule. End of statement. My name is Bob Njagi. Thank you.
Serikali kuislamu vya wa kisomo ya sekanani ni yumbanite kwikithia kana manyiwa ni makena nilia kuma grade ya kena ginya grade 10 ungua motalatala mweo wa CBE mwaka tathi wa ngilili miongolenda thandatu yu kakavinane kane ne ma school for mwana ene yanda melete vya yulo wa kuyumbanesia kukela nilia kuma na kila meweta kwitha watemi hiyo ya kuya na halimo wa mwana ilasi siya kutoa isi ya kisomo ke minister wa kisomo Julius Migosi ni wavya yetheka kavu ya usu aiweta manyiwa ni mambesi ya usakwa maskulu wala meokwenda ulika Migosi ya sekarani maminete kwa kailasi ngili miongole na itatu maskulu ni kwa ili ya grade 10 na ni mavanie kwa kalabu ngili 13 kwikidhi ya motalatala uo ni watu wa vatema dhina.
To transition our grade 9s to grade 10 using the 3 pathways, that is STEM, social sciences, arts and sports, creative arts and sports. And to let you know that the students, the learners are already choosing their pathways and choosing the schools. And just to assure parents and Kenyans in general that the government is prepared to ensure that that transition is smooth and it's 100% transition like we've done before. So we've transitioned them from grade 8 to grade 9, which was much more difficult because we didn't have the infrastructure. Remember, we had to do 23,000 classrooms to ensure that grade 9 is properly settled. But transitioning to grade 10, there are no infrastructure challenges because remember last year there was no Form 1s, and the senior schools had already prepared the infrastructure for that space, and they are going to do only 3 years in senior schools. That is grade 10, 11 and 12. So we are prepared for that transition, and the students have opened this week, and as I said earlier, last week we are going to ensure that capitation is in this week, and in fact it was released yesterday by Treasury. We expect it today in the ministry, and by end of week it should be in the school account, so that the learners and the head teachers do not have any challenge, because it's a short term. So we are now moving to ensuring that the textbooks for grade 10 are being prepared and will be in schools by December, so that the transition is smooth. You are also aware that we are doing 1,600 laboratories, which will start next month, and by December they'll be fully done and properly the instruments will be in place. So we are moving towards that transition as smoothly and making it as smooth and as seamlessly as possible.
Mwene kivila wangwatanio ya emi ya kwa matingi kuya Matungulu James Movi ni wakadha serikali ya kati yolowa mivango kauta ya maendeleo na mwana kukwata ambao makundi ma NND evate kuvadhula aine na Matungulu ya umilioni wa suwa Movi ni wenda serikali ya Kenya Kwanza kulilika na aemi na kubakwata ambao maundoni moonekana kukili okwati wa NND ondumwe na maendeleo.
Tungia musumbe mubya imwana nondo wa maendeleo la uende sema empowerment Kenya mzima yonde na wende usakua pane wako ni wakula kana banda wako ni wakula, lakini aende semiradi ya maendeleo Kenya mzima kawaya wavika ilobi ya musumbe tena mubya jambo mama Matungulu na imwe yae pa Matungulu ti peto na bayuma Matungulu te support itanjo na musumbe na ivye anduma boda boda na mubea muno mundu waki wikie na tikulia wanakawaya wabika uya musumbe na kianidikana aimi nyandi ungamia imi makawa aimi alange on the tuetewe empowerment anduma kawa ma avocado maze iya on the aimi malidikano nika natu kwa te empowerment ino ni yoni tawa bottom up Tiwo, ino diyo bottom up. Wapi nduru wa bottom up. Nondo eza mundu wa boda boda nuko vikiwa. Eza mama ula utesa mboka nuko vikiwa. Iyo ndiyo bottom up. Kila kingi nikulia ili Matungulu itatiwe kimaendeleo. Nikulia Mheshimiwa Kawaya ututete tukwate maendeleo ta andwa langi nongo iji tibo na ita support ya agenda yake.
Aimi kaunti ya Kitui nimeendeka kwa mbizi ya kutusia na kumbania mionda yote nimetele mbua ya andhone kana kuketha vanene kumana na waliku wanzeve hudhuthio wa umwani Minister Muveane wane maa kaunti ya Kitui mbaya kimwele anena kawindane kama uvundi sio mata alama alame utethesi ya Aimi Minister nuwasya kana ni undu wa kutoa isi ni maa ya kiumondi na ingi kumanya memia ila matonya kuvanda ya kumesia monyao.
This one to the land na Aimi ala magwetwa community based facilitators Aimi amende na kuvundiswa ondo wa gimaila selite ila tukuita climate smart agriculture tukuita tukwaza ondo konyo ulungana na madhina ma mimea ta diseases and pests na mondo mingi mawimi na kilango ndo du ya Aimi Kitui ni kana county in extension and advisory officers na officer mahanu kila kona na niyo gutumi ubusio yiyo ziwe naende na kozo ni county government tuile tuna community based facilitators kana extension officers kana lead farmers kana village advisors ala mwete thesia kusomera aimi kila masomo ba na masomo ba mutugeta community based facilitators nitaala tuita CHPs community health promoters na kevila katika tutagetiwe katika kila village ili apart from extension officers ma county government tuna community based facilitators alama wema kumana na officer ma agriculture na mwevu kumana na aimi kale to amadilisa wito na nendo mkulia aimi ma kitui mbuo yu ni mwe 10 noma ni rambe mimi wonze liwe kodanzi opanga undo belo kabana niba na mbio boa na kanze kwia mimi wonze mundani wake leko mutemie mbenzi na mwanzo zo munda mwetele mbua na mwanzo kwa matena none mbweno yuwa utabandite kugera kwa kwibana rina
ndukathiva saa nitusyokethete na maovu wangi ala tukumanisye nthina mesa itu ya maovu
na udhocha ndini wa kilungu cha Thambalala
ndume numenete kukuthukiwa ni kibeti onathe mundu muka eana ni munene eana kiembe na mundu ume mebiano toothpick ekamitumende twesu numenete kukuthukiwa ni mundu muka
kilungu kila kikukia kila wathanthatu kwambia saa ile na nusu cia wiyo
edwa wikalatha yukwenda edwa ni mwitu muthenya mwoka twawa withie ungua muome waku wiungua mundu na edwa walekilwe wika yundu kwenda ukathina
ona era ni kwaku kuna salute we mutambue tu ni kana kwithwa mugo ndini wa musinundu no mena kulea kutambulika na mapinda mengi cyo kutumiwanda koa ni kana mumana chao
wikala life with a control nini nabaka wikala na control da yundu twanyakani kulechu itendelanso itonyeko
ndukende kwasia mwana nukomete na wewe umoka wewe umoka udambende uyani mwitu yawe ande wakomelele mwana
yonke ometoke ni mutanisia wambiye kwidepend na eva wisaki ukwenda ukaiya
musubie na ndukamwelekanye nonge usungi wani yako yanza ni mausuwesia ni we atikoke
mundu losa kuwa yembe timwini mundu wabuyane ona wa munenga yembe yeba emanyula nayo uone tabe musina kana itinga yesi lapo usu ni mundu wesinesa kana umanthi ndwichenga maundu mesite kweta na nonginya mundu akaliuka na ebinda
kindu taki kenda passion alafu sainge talanta
mbunde asia mundu na ni mbunde asiata mostly nyando alangwata amakiuya withia ni so green yani mainoman so ni nende awe from mundu lo tena kosi ingi kana mundu tekitoke thene na mugundi cia kuma mundu naketha hena wendi
kondo kwekethia ni wakwata cha kwitweta obamwe na kuiba maelo kila twaile kumanya ni kana vaiwia utewa kwiyonea ethwa ni wetae vaita ikia vitivyo maunduni maku
wani wambio tumangomboka ehe kwapi
yuyu twebuti bonenge nonie uyoswinya kondete nago no uya maseo kwanienda kikomba kainga uomboka sukuma spinach
ilobi
maluga la matemange ngoko ngasuyana amobe ya by that time toba onengolo
ala matemange nimeba
tumeta katakata
fluency kana eka komwene kila kenda akeke for example nyina pushiwe nando kweka procurement lakini baadaye nesio end kwida ni baba
na ndukiatikile kutulwa ngoni ando mwe wisi wala umete na kula wendete komana nake Steven Mwema kilunguni cha wea ne wea kila wakana kwambia saa 12 na dakika 40 va Mutongo TV ngwatanio ya Mukamba.
mukambani wese uimani uthui na kwa uondo ilite kubatithia na uima waku wa mwi. Rafiki Herbal Clinic ungua Herbal Dr. Mwithia nicho kliniki cha ndawa cia miti kila kitongoetie kwa witi mwithianu na wandawa siki ukunikili wa ki-science nituitama ukibadhukanio ta typhoid, ndetema, amoeba, bio, ulcers, arthritis, kulea kusia, kwambatoni ndakame, ukosebina wa kiume, mauma kekonde, asma, mauma metambo, fibroids, sukali na mauange. Komana na Herbal Dr. Mwithia kila chumwa wauikala wakwambilile matuku 25 mwana natu ikabati kwa Kanolndu kuthengena na ATM ya Equity wakile matuku 23 itala kuthengena na Flavors Restaurant kati wa Total Petrol Station na Isma Supermarket wakatatu matuku 23 stage kwa kinatwa Sako Booking Office kuthengena na Matumat Supermarket wakana matuku 23 kitui Mulimol nolubambe wisi namba 5 na ina kungethana sana bengi wa Equity wakatano matuku 29 Masako Complex Inn kuthengena na Rafi Supermarket kuthengena na Cooperative Bank na wathandatu matuku 3 mutomoko wa Francis Yanda Mother Stage itina wa Frajan Supermarket. Kwa mauvombe ange tuthoke mabisi na maito kana tukone simu kwisela noti mwonza ile emwa noti kenda noti kana noti mwonza na ina ile 55 kana tuandikie SMS kana WhatsApp kwisela noti mwonza emwa noti kenda noti nyanya. Rafiki Herbal Clinic, we treat, God heals.
Nina odhoche ngitwende na kumanithia kuu mwa mawea wende na kwikinya vandhi ya Kenya wala niyo wandhama cia thukumi ma Kenya na Germany nwende na kusia matunda kwa kuseuvya myanya kwa moika kukwata motwika na mawea nthi cianza mwa mawea vandhi ya Kenya weweta kwitha kuno vala moika milioni 1.5 ili malika umanzini kila mwaka vala kuyana na muvia wa ukunikili wa statistics wa KNBS kilungu kinini chamo kikwata mawea makotoa wiwanola wivo Kenya na Germany ni kunenga ivuso amanyiwa vamwe na athukumi mena otwika kutambuka nthi cianzaila ivo Germany kumantha myanya kivathukanyo ya mawea.
If this direction doesn't work for you.
And today we have sent out 29 apprentice students who are heading to Germany for the nursing apprentice, and we are very happy with that one. It's one way of making sure that our youth have opportunities outside the country, and we are very happy with the collaboration that we have got with the German institution, and we are hoping that it will continue to grow from strength to strength. The criteria we use is that you must be able to have a degree first, and then the second thing, you must be able to do a German language to the B level. In other words, you can be able to talk to people when you're in the hospital. This is a long time collaboration. We have it's not something that is going to end today, because at the end of the day, we are here to train our students, and they need to be able to get an opportunity to be able to work. And Germany are in need of the nursing profession, and therefore we have got this collaboration. It's going to be a very long-lasting collaboration.
We fulfill it with life, and I'm very happy to be here at the university today. And we are happy to welcome motivated young Kenyans in Germany, and we're looking forward to see them in Germany.
Very happy to get the chance also to travel to Germany and do my further studies there. And all I can say is to probably tell young people that the platform is open for everyone.
The journey has been seamless, and I'm looking forward to learning as in Germany as a nurse, and experiencing the new culture.
Personally, I've been working as a CNA, so going to Germany will open more doors for me in the nursing program, and also I have other opportunities which I can do my career.